Welcome to How Logical, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching Bigo Live Series Part 25. In this video, I will show you how to fix fail to follow issue in Bigo Live application. It's the common issue that many users face. Before we dive into the solution, let's understand what causes the fail to open problem in Bigo Live. The fail to follow issue usually occurs due to network connectivity problems or temporary server glitches. Now that we know the cause, let's explore 3 advanced troubleshooting techniques to fix the fail to follow problem. Number 1. Reset network setting. Switch your internet connection with data connection or vice versa. Also, you can turn on and off airplane mode in your device. Number 2. Clearing app cache. Open your device setting, go to the applications, search for Bigo Live application, and under internal storage you will see clear cache option. By clicking on it, your cache will be cleared. If number 1 and number 2 doesn't fix the problem, follow number 3, reinstalling the app. For that, go to the Play Store, search Bigo Live, click on the app, you will see Uninstall button. Click on Uninstall and again reinstall it. By following these steps, you can easily overcome from the issue of failing to follow. As you can see in the screen, I can easily follow the person now. Do let me know in the comment section below if this fixes your issue. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.